I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your address with Telstra is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Telstra website and log into your account using your credentials. This is the first step to accessing your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select update address. In the account settings, look for the option labeled update address or something similar. Click on it to proceed to the address update form. Step 4. Enter your new address. Fill in your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any typos, as this can lead to service issues. Quick gotcha: if you accidentally enter the wrong postcode, you might not receive your bills on time, so verify it carefully. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, review the information and confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Updating your address with Telstra is that simple. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble keeping your information current.